Why is there so much red? Was the pizza not out there?
No. And I thought I heard... Oh god. They might be coming up the stairs.
Oh, yeah? Why are you sitting down?
Because I don't want to just stand there waiting.
I would.
Should I do the thing again?
Did you just toss it?
Huh? No, I think it was Lorelei.
Oh, there's Lorelei?
Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Well, that would... Yeah. Peace
Alright,
on
jump.
enemy. Bio. No, I'm kidding. Don't go bio. Oh god, don't go bio.
Don't go bio. Don't go anywhere.
Nova 6.
Okay.
Definitely not there. We could
What,
survive
not
a little
06?
bit.
I hate you.
Here. Oh, wow. You guys are... Never mind. I'm just going to turn around and
Oh,
follow
I
you guys.
pushed hard.
Yeah, you did.
Clear to engage all
Okay, but we have to stick with these shit pistol. You know, I lied. If you find a pistol...
Oh, there's a far up here. You know how hard that is to not grab that?
I found it. Oh, 19 out of that.
Oh, I found a Bizon. Damn it.
You can't use it.
I know.
Drop it.
You can't drop it. Can you?
You can.
How?
Ooh, a Diamante. I'll take
Oh.
that. Attack rifle. Bro, I hate this rule.
Piston only.
Oh, heavy SMG.
Where are you guys? Are you down?
Do you guys want to load out or?
I thought we weren't doing that.
I mean, we can, but
Yeah,
I'm just
to
gonna
get a
end up
pistol.
getting a pistol.
None of my loadouts really have a pistol. And with what I got.
Where are
Diamante with
you
a
guys?
sniper scope on it. We're here and there.
I might have gone too ham with my money.
You know what? I'm just gonna jump on out.
I'm getting a loadout for a pistol.
Bro, I hate this. I hate this rule. You guys suck.
The decree hath been spoken.
The decree.
It had been spoken, yes, I agree.
And it's going right here. Oh wow. It's good. I want to see how it lands. No, please hit it. Alright, let one have a pistol. Nice. Wait, watch this. Watch this.
1911.
See this sun? How I have it here, right?
Yeah. Oh no, I already dropped mine. Yeah.
Enemy UAV
Oh,
overhead.
are we gonna drop all of them?
Yeah, I'm only rocking it.
Oh, crap.
I hear running.
I really don't want to drop mine.
Screw
Drop
it.
your fucking gun.
It's dropped.
I'm not dropping my gun.
I'm following
I'm running the Renetti.
Drop your long gun.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna pick up more bullets, though.
DJ, drop your fucking FARA.
He's like, nah, I'm
I don't
not.
have a FARA.
Your FFR, whatever.
I don't have.
Oh,
I have a
Whatever that
Renetti.
is. No, that other gun you have. Drop it.
Oh, hang on real quick.
Enemies in the area. We're in safe zone.
Crap, I hate this class. I don't have a heartbeat.
Oh shit, I have a stim, not a heartbeat.
Bad call, Kyle.
Oh wow. Okay, yeah, that's a little weird. What street is it on? Imagine. Yeah, so it's Vista Points. If you go up, Victor's. It's at the top
Who
of the hill.
died?
The other
Oh,
teammate.
Homeboy pushed. Let's go protect Randy.
Yep.
It's so.
25 remain.
Hi.
I hear a box and it's bothering me.
Oh my god, who's slamming through doors? What did they say? They couldn't find the apartment?
Was that not you that slammed through the door?
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
I'm gonna actually I'm gonna call this shit back because
Bro.
Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Oh, okay. So you got it now?
Kyle, I'm on your 6.
Nice.
Okay, yeah, no worries. Just come up, throw the pizza at the door or something. Okay.
Throw it at the door.
I'm like, I throw the pizza at the door.
You know what I think we should do is just actually spend some time and shoot these rats.
There's a gas mask.
Ooh, piece of candy. How'd you guys get upstairs?
We used our legs.
Oh! Is that a height joke?
Randy, I'm
We should just
about
ride
as tall as you and Kyle.
Oh! There's somebody up here.
Just find the gondola.
Where are you guys?
Waiting for the gondola in a very precarious
Where are you, Randy?
I'm behind you guys.
No!
Yeah, great job. I'm gonna go over here to the gondola now.
Enemy cluster strike
Oh.
incoming.
Oh! Oh, where?
Am I in the safe?
No! Oh, crap, that's on us. Oh, sweet lord. Oh, help me, Tom Cruise.
Oh, I'm getting shot.
Who closed the door near me?
All I have is
Hey.
a stupid
I
1911.
did. I'm on this side.
Renetti.
Where are you?
Alright, get on the gondola.
Oh, don't leave me. No.
Where are you?
Is the gondola here? Oh! Oh, Tom Cruise
I'm on
hit
it.
me.
Is it gone?
I'm on the gondola.
No! No!
Stay there.
Hey, Randy, there's someone down there,
Oh,
too.
wow.
Oh, fuck. Alright.
You want me to snipe?
With what? A pistol?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, crap.
Well, I'm staying on the gondola, by the way. Why do I hear it? Oh,
No!
thank God.
Cluster strike
They missed
incoming.
us.
Take cover.
Come on. Hurry up.
Hurry. 3. Randy, let's go. Randy. Forward.
He's gonna jump.
3, 2, 1. Oh.
Oh, I almost fell right off. That would be. Oh, come on. Who's shooting?
I don't know. Where are they?
Gas is
I don't know,
We're
but I'm
gonna
getting
die
off here.
shortly,
Fuck
though.
this. Oh, hurry!
Yep. Oh. Alright, that's
Oh,
an
I'm
entire
dead.
team.
I am so dead.
Kyle, are you still alive?
Fuck yeah, your pimp made it.
I have 21 seconds left.
I have lots of money.
Buy me back.
Yeah, I hate this pistol rule so much.
Oh, I have a cluster strike.
Oh, you should use it. Why don't you like pistols?
'Cause I can't kill anyone. My pistols aren't made to kill. They're made to
They made the.
like barely
giggity.
finish people off. Right.
Yes.
Allied cluster strike inbound.
Kyle, where are you?
Prices are back to
I see you. Alright, they gave me the AUG.
Oh no, he took off running. You're not gonna get him.
I downed someone.
No, you didn't. Never happened.
Armor box.
gas is moving.
I have an armor box.
Where are you?
Where are you, Kyle? How are you up a floor?
Movement.
Oh. Kyle, I'm down.
Watch red.
Oh, come on. Fuck that war.
Kyle,
Why
you
are you
have
just
to put
waiting
back.
there while we die?
Because he knows pistols is a bad idea.
Oh, because I'm smart. I saved myself.
Yeah, but now we can. Oh, yeah, we can come back.
I have 23 seconds.
Let's
Alright, so pistols, first place and second place definitely have to go up on
What's that?
YouTube.
I did.
We're in 5th.
You're welcome.
Hey, I said podium finish only, top 3.
When you land, drop on bottom of Nova. Oh, Hall.
Nubbins? Is that what you said? Drop on down with nubbins?
And close the door. And close it.
Where? Oh wow, the gas is like hell coming in. I don't know where to go.
Someone just
Oh,
dropped the
someone
fucking
dropped
loadout.
Soldier incoming.
Sweet.
Guys, I'm scared.
Oh, I'm down. I'm down. I'm down. I'm down. I'm dead.
I hear. I'm doing my fucking best.
Oh, gotcha, bitch.
Randy, be careful.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, I fucked up.
Randy, that's who got me.
Is it? I just killed his ass. Kyle, where are you?
Fucking living.
Living on an edge.
Randy, you're dead.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Kyle, you can buy us back.
Kyle. Oh, you're dead. Oh, I died because of you. Because you didn't want to save me.
Fifth.
1 of 10 remaining. Learn from the
Damn.
loss. Failure's a proper teacher.